I'm often asked by clients how the damages in their case affect the decision about whether I'll take their case. You could say that they're asking me, in a way, what's their case worth, but that's not exactly what they're asking me. They're not really asking me for a dollar value. They're asking me if the case is one that it's worth bringing. And my answer to you is that lawyers, before a case ever goes to a jury, when a lawyer meets a case for the first time by meeting the person who wants to bring the case, who wants to explain why they think they have a case, lawyers, one of the things they're doing is evaluating whether this case is a case that I think I can help this person with and that it's going to be worth it to bring. Things happen in the medical environment that cause offense or injury to a plaintiff. But some of those things are not the kinds of things that are worth money or a lot of money. For example, unfortunately, it is true that sometimes a patient will encounter a physician and that physician will be rude, gruff, not answer their questions, and act in ways which are offensive. Because that conduct did not cause an injury, certainly not a permanent injury, that would not usually be the kind of case that would be worth bringing. Skilled malpractice lawyers can look at a medical record, and so if Dr. Nair and I are evaluating a medical record, we can find departures in many medical records. They didn't come in and do blood pressures every 15 minutes like they were supposed to. But those departures may not have caused a permanent injury. And so, like it or not, one of the things that lawyers have to do is make a determination as to whether the particular injury that exists in any case that comes to our door is one that's worth pursuing. Now, I have to just say that this is an inequality, if you will, in cases. There are cases where the conduct on the part of the healthcare professional represents duty and breach of duty. That's there. And there may even be an injury. But if it's too minor, it will not meet the threshold that most quality law firms who practice in this area have. Now, it does no good to just say, my threshold is X, because it doesn't work that way, because there's a lot of variables involved. I might have a threshold, but I might take a case that falls significantly below it because of other factors. If there's an X-ray case, for example, and the physician failed to read an X-ray properly, and it's in black and white, and his records are in black and white, and it shows that physician did not do it, even though the injury that came from that departure, from failing to read the X-ray correctly, is relatively minor, the case is so simple to prove that, although it doesn't meet threshold, I'll take it. So the answer to the question about if a particular person's case is one which my law firm will take is it's on a case-by-case basis. So I would really appreciate it if you'd give me the opportunity to learn about your case and see if it's one that I can help you with.